Bald eagles are extremely dedicated parents. Liberty and freedom became famous when the Pennsylvania Game Commission released a video of them protecting their eggs, despite the snow piling on their backs. They will take turns warming their eggs for about 35 days no matter how bad the weather gets. A sloth's claws work the opposite way that humans' hands do. The default position is a tight, strong grip, and sloths must exert effort to open them up. This is why sloths don't fall out of trees when they are asleep. In 1991, JC was kidnapped on her way to school. She wasn't found until 18 years later. The Dutch royal family may be small, but that doesn't mean they aren't expensive, costing their taxpayers approximately $31 million a year. To put these numbers in perspective, they cost 4 times more than the Spanish royal family, even though the Netherlands are only a third of Spain's size. Members of the royal family are not allowed to earn income from working. So, where does their massive fortune come from, really? 1.4 billion years ago, days on our planet were just 18 hours long. Since then, Earth has been gaining 0.00000154 to 857 seconds every year. What if there is some connection between the dreams we see at night and parallel universes? A glowing nightlight lamp that has removable balls for trips to the bathroom. This is blobfish, also known as the world's ugliest animal. People are now getting the inside of their ears removed in a new Bosi modification trend. The procedure is called a conch removal. A total of 9 nuclear submarines have sunk around the world. Most of them are still on the ocean floor with nuclear weapons that are still intact. I didn't understand what I had just seen or the implications of it, but I know that it traumatized me and shook me to my core. I tried for years to bury that memory because it made me so afraid. Cardinal birds are romantic. They mate for life, travel together, sing before nesting, and during courtship, the male feeds seed to the female beak to beak. Aj Maklan and Joey Fatone were both on game shows before their respective boy bands took off in the 90s, and they are almost unrecognizable. Chad Varah, a priest, saw a funeral for a 14-year-old girl who committed suicide after having no one to talk to when her first period came, believing it was an STD. He recalled, inking, "Little girl, I never knew you. But I promise you that you have changed my life." He vowed to encourage sex education and to help people who were contemplating suicide. In 1953, Varah founded the world's first suicide hotline. The Swedish Vallhund is a dog that looks like a cross between a corgi and a wolf. The first walk don't walk light signal was installed on Fifth Avenue in New York in 1934 as an experiment. The Wright brothers' plane has flown again. Sort of NASA's Mars Ingenuity helicopter carried a small piece of material from the Wright brothers' plane on its inaugural flight. The piece of fabric that was brought to the red planet, taken from the flyer's lower left wing, W as no bigger than a postage stamp. The only quagga to have been photographed alive at Regent's Park Zoo in 1870. The quagga are now extinct. Iceland produces more than a third of all fresh lava. On Earth, the nation has about 200 volcanoes, 22 of which are considered active. Meet the New Zealand kakapo. This critically endangered bird, also known as an oval parrot, is the only ground-dwelling parrot. Unable to fly, this nocturnal bird's green coloring is effective camouflage. It is also notable for its friendly demeanor and for its long lifespan. They live to over 90 years old. Wanda Holloway dreamed of becoming a cheerleader as a child, but she never quite made the cut. She instead imposed those dreams onto her daughter Shanna, enrolling her in gymnastics and even buying her a cheer outfit at the age of 5. But when the beautiful and talented next door neighbor posed a threat to Shanna's stardom, Holloway vowed to take out the competition by any means necessary. A Viking woman could divorce her husband for many reasons, including insulting her, being too jealous, not sleeping with her, or wearing effeminate clothing, especially low necked shorts exposing his chest. Newborn babies don't shed tears, rare tear ducts aren't fully formed yet, and tears won't fall until after the first month. Dr. Jacinto Convitt, the scientist who developed the vaccine to fight leprosy, was still working to find a vaccine for cancer on his 100th birthday, described as a popular hero. He never charged a patient for the care he gave. He published his last study at age 100 in 2013. Prince was the first choice to play Ruby Rhod in The Fifth Element. Fashion designer Jean Paul Gaultier showed costume sketches to the musician, who gave me this Charlie Chaplin kind of look. I could see that something had just happened, but I didn't know what. Only that he has indicated to his bodyguard that he wanted to leave right then and there. Student at the University of Madras, India, pic of 1948 while studying a late at night. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun. It's practically impossible to buy front row seats to a Billy Joel concert, but not because they sell out. The piano man holds them and gives them away to people in the cheap seats. He says he prefers to play for the real fans instead of the gold chainers.